Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job PhD admissions, work from home job, PGT, TGT and assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Share, like and comment my videos. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notifications from the multiple colleges. Okay, and here only postgraduates the opportunities are there, and the UGC or the PhD candidates also opportunities are there, and there is no application fee, no written examination for the selection process. Okay, only they will be called for the interview, and the UGC pay scales will be provided, and you may apply from any state all over the India. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as an immediate notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the multiple colleges assistant professor recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Present content of the video. So out of the different colleges, the first one here we are going to see is the Bharati Vidyapeeth from Pune. So in this one, you may check down the required faculty members for MBA professor, MBA course assistant professor and the BCA course assistant professor is required. And apart from this one, computer science and engineering and computer science and engineering AML and engineering mathematics and probability and statistics training and placement officer as well as a librarian required. Okay, so if you want to see the clear details regarding this one, then just click on the details for advertisement, and then it will be directed to the PDF, okay, which represents the complete details regarding this one. And how to fill up of the online application form also, okay, they kept here. So first of all, download the application form, okay, in the Microsoft Word format and fill up all the details, okay, and then you need to upload the whatever the filled in application form are there, you need to upload the scanned copy of your passport size photograph, signature and the last page drawn certificate and the caste certificate or else any other certificates in the PDF format. And then okay, if you want to go to the online application form, so you need to click on this one and then you will be directed to the online application form completely. Okay, and here the number of vacancies are mentioned here as per the departmental wise, and for the professor and associate professor PhD is mandatory. So coming to the assistant professor, BE, BTech, BSc and ME or EMTech is required. So PhD is there, then it will be desirable. So training and placement officer, qualification experience as per the professor grade, and the librarian also mentioned here. So you may check down, guys. Post graduation with 50% of marks and the set or the net qualification must be there. And for the detailed information for the qualifications, okay, you may go through this one, and the last date for the receiving of online application form is 15th Jan 2022 till evening 5 o'clock. And apart from filling up of the online application form, you should send the hard copy also, okay, along with the duly filled and attested Xerox copies of all the certificates to the secretary, Bharati Vidyapeeth Bhavan, 4th floor, okay, Pune, by post or else courier only. Fine. And coming to the next recruitment notification is from a regional degree college from Nayagar. So candidates for the following post have requisite qualification met in the walk-in interview on 12th Jan 2022 at morning 11 o'clock to evening 4 o'clock for 3 science stream of regional degree college, and lecturer in physics, chemistry, mathematics, botany and zoology. And the qualification is only PG plus PG with 50% of marks, and the laboratory assistants also required in physics, chemistry and biology. So BSc qualification is required. And the non-teaching positions are also the data entry operator and 3 art science with the PG DCA, and the junior clerk is required. Okay, and attendant for the physics, chemistry and biology also required, and the venue is also given and the contact number is also provided. If you are having any query regarding this recruitment notification, then you may contact this number. Fine. And coming to the next one is Invertis University. So from this one here we got the recruitment notification for the multiple departments. So physics, chemistry, mathematics, life science and fashion design, bioinformatics, structural biology, computer science engineering, electrical, mechanical, computer and Python, advanced Java, big data analysis, IoT, cloud computing and machine learning, and the fine arts, performing arts, social sciences, so political science and the sociology, Hindi, English and mathematics also. Okay, so then the candidates net or PhD in education will be preferred, and the journalism and mass communication, law, management, pharmacy, and professional communication, as well as agriculture. Fine. So interested candidates may send your resume till 14th Jan 2022 at the recruitment@invertis.org. And if you're having any queries, here the contact number is there, so you may contact to that number. And coming to the next recruitment notification is from Thegaraya Chetty Educational Institutions. So from this one here we got the assistant professor recruitment notification, and this college is from Chennai. And the application from along with 5 sets of Xerox copies of certificates may be submitted by register or the speed post to the secretary, okay, to this mentioned address within the 15 days of the date of this advertisement, and the post and subject for which the application is made should be mentioned on the cover. Okay, and here, so application form and guidelines you can download from the website itself. Okay, so from 6th Jan 2022 you can download that one, and the remaining details are kept here, so you may check down, guys. And the salary and qualification as per the UGC norms 2018 regulation. And coming to the eligibility, a post graduation in the concerned discipline with 50% of marks, and apart from that, the candidate must have the net slate or set qualification must be there. And what are the departments in the procedure of selection is given here. Assessment of aptitude for teaching and research, and ability to communicate clearly and effectively, and ability to analysis and discuss. Okay, the selection is based upon the academic meritability and the experience in the relevant field, and also based upon the performance of the candidate in the interview. And the TADA will not be provided for attending the interview, guys. Okay, and the last date for sending the hard copy is through register post or the speed post 22 Jan 2022 evening 4 o'clock. And the subjects are given here: commerce, economics, history, chemistry, mathematics, botany, and zoology. And as per the caste category is also the number of vacancies, you may check down here. Fine. And here the application form is also attached to this PDF itself. So the candidates who wants to apply, download this PDF, okay, and fill up all the details and whatever things they are asking to fill up the or else for the application process. So just all the things. And coming to the next one is the CCOM Engineering College. So here the applications are invited from the eligible candidates for the positions of Director MBA, BBA, and Assistant Professor in Civil, Electrical, Mechanical, Electronics, Computers, IT, MBA, MC, and BBA, Hospital Management, and Teaching Assistant in Civil, Electronics, Computers, and Electrical. Experienced candidates are preferred. Interested candidates may send your resume to this provided mail ID. Okay, so job@ccom@gmail.com. And coming to the next one is the SGS College. So NAC B+ accreditation. It required the principal, a PhD or 15 years of experience, and along with that one, the teaching staff required for the subject of English, Telugu, economics, physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, agricultural sciences, computer science, and librarian. So the qualification required is a PG plus 50, PG with 50% of marks, and experienced candidates will be preferred. So the quickly send your resumes with marks memos of the NET or the SET or PhD or anything is there to sgscol.1968@gmail.com. And here the contact numbers are also provided. If you are having any queries, then you may contact those numbers. And the next one is the Rishi MS Institute of Engineering. So here assistant professor are required for the subjects of what we call here ECE, EEE, IT, and while coming to the MTech subjects also required, and MA in English, and MSc in Mathematics, Statistics, Physics, Chemistry, MBA, MBA, fine. So the candidates who are having the enough qualifications to this one, then you may send your CV, certificates, and OD, Aadhaar, and PAN card of the scanned copies to rishims@gmail.com. And if you are having any queries this one, so here the contact number is also provided. Got it? So total these are the different faculty recruitment notifications, guys. So hurry up, and so if your subjects are not covered, then please mention your subjects in the comment section of this video. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And to get the more videos like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Jai Hind. Yeah. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science, as well as the General Paper 1, that is Teaching and Research Aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in Electronics and Communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle, fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the two platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else the what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare, and English and education, and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I'm the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, well, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper 1. Okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So I may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So, and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want